and this is part 2 to the video that I just posted about the d.i.y aloe vera with rice water. So now I'm getting ready to use it. I just took my braids down. As you can see, I had them in for 2 weeks. I did them myself. My hair is a little dry, but I was greasing my scalp and using the rice water. So let's get right into the pre-poo. I'm going to divide my hair in sections and then spray it down with this. Let it sit under a cap. If you don't have a cap, you can use a plastic bag. I'll be using a plastic bag. Caps don't usually fit all the way on my hair. I have to get a really large one, and we don't have any, so I'll be using a bag, and I'll let it sit in for 15 to 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you the results. So let's get right into it. Separating it into, well, you don't have to use a comb. Just use my fingers, because it don't have to be straight. I'm going to do 4 sections. To be easier, you can do as many as you want. I'm going to do 4. You don't have to use a rubber band. I know a lot of people don't like using rubber bands, but I'm not doing it tight. So, let's see. Separating in 4. It's pretty messy, so make sure you get a towel first. And this is the twist that I did after I sprayed it all. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3 sections, and I'm going to come back after the 30 minutes and show you the results. Okay, it's been about 40 minutes now. I just let it sit. So let's see. After I show you guys what it looks like, then I'm going to go wash it out. Oh my goodness. Let me get this towel. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It was a lot softer. When I was putting it on there, I felt my hair was really bouncy. So I think it worked really good. It's probably something you have to use a lot, but my hair is so soft. It's really soft. Okay, I'm going to link the video of how I made the DIY aloe vera and rice water pre-poo / leave-in / deep conditioner. I'm going to link that video somewhere on the screen. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you for watching.